Honestly, I just love welding. To put it bluntly, I love welding so much. Opportunities in Michigan are not that great for welders. There's not a whole lot of welding jobs around where I live. Probably within 100 miles, there's like 3 to 5 shops, and I worked at 3 of them and got laid off from the first 2 because they ran out of work. So figured I'd move west and start working my way west where welding is actually a prominent career, and I actually love it here, honestly. I kind of did it on a whim, but during welding school, I fell in love with it. I found that I'm pretty good at it, and it's something that I'm actually passionate about. I like making my work look good and doing good work. Everything here is very high-tech compared to what I'm used to. The equipment's very up-to-date, especially the cranes. The cranes are very nice. Welders are nice. The sub-arc machines are awesome. I've never used a sub-arc as advanced as the ones we have here. The people are very easy to get along with. The people here are all very willing to teach. They're very open to me being new-ish, and they're just great to work with. HR is very transparent. They're very good. They did a very good job with getting me all the information I need and getting out here. And the training here is great. Travis is awesome. He's been doing a great job with helping me with everything that I've been trying to learn and getting accustomed to here. Very, very competitive. I'll say better than anything I had access to back in Michigan. Just a bunch of little things, like something I noticed during the orientation. They even mentioned the fact that like during Thanksgiving and Christmas they give the ham and turkey. Just little things like that. It just shows that they actually care about their employees, and that's just little things that I like. Coming out here 800 miles from home, it was a very good decision.